Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2024 Suzuki Jimny, stock number 6771. This ran from the 10th 2018 to the current shape. It has a K15B 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the K15 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 15-inch factory magnet tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 15-inch factory magnet tyre, right front 15-inch factory magnet tyre, right hand headlight, right front door card, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,